Hey guys, hey, it's me with them curls. Well, when it's not, it's Shani. So be free to call me Shani or whichever one you want to stick with. I will just stick with me, you can just call me Nee. Yeah. So today, sorry for my hair. I was supposed to do a tutorial, but please stay tuned for what's coming in my video later on. We're just going to chit chat about a few things, such as signs that show that you have sensitive scalp. Yeah, that's basically it. So, hope you guys like the intro.
I got plenty of ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy.
Alright, so what causes scalp sensitivity? Product buildup. 1. Harsh chemicals, too much heat, and for untreated skin conditions. So let's alter product buildup. Generally, once you have those kinky coily hairs, curly kinky coily hair type, we like to ensure that we wash our hair every 7 days, every 7 to 10 days, every 5 to 7 to 10 days. Not 14 days. Generally, we get lazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sometimes do. We get so into ourselves, like myself now, where I was supposed to do a tutorial and you're just not feeling it and you just say, and you just put back your hair into the way that it was. Or if you're like me who always have a protective style in, I don't pull it out anymore. I'm not bothered washing my hair. But yeah, that's generally product buildup. I'm not sure how to say harsh chemicals, but then I guess chemicals from a certain product is too much. Because I remember, I think there was this edge control a friend of mine said to try. I think it's on the Cream of Nature. And every time I tried it, my eyes would water. And I just said, okay, no, definitely not going to use this ever again. I don't remember what it was. But I think it was in a tube. We had to squeeze and yeah. Definitely, I think the fragrance, but the fragrance was strong. And I think something in it was also working. Too much heat. So for the girlies or the curlies that like to use a lot of heat consistently, yeah, you need to slow down on that. So you might have to expect that when you may need to slow down on the usage of heat. I've always wanted to try heat styling like the popular silk press, especially in winter season. But I'm afraid of that heat damage, guys. I've done too much, but I guess they say risk is it. I rather risk it with color than heat. Heat damage is different. Having dry bit hair that you can fix, way better than yeah. Because as you go along, you do trims, so the color eventually goes out, and you're trimming, you're keeping a regular trim. Healthy colored hair. Like I said, try to stay away from heat. And for persons who like to use heat, even though I just said to reduce your usage, well, I recommend reducing your usage. You also want to ensure that you're using a heat protectant before that situation, before heating or styling. So, what's the solution to my strands? Show them some TLC, right? When you get into that shower, when you're doing your daily routine or your daily regime, you want to, it's regime or regime? Regime. Daily routine, let's stick with the routine. You want to ensure that your hair you are taking the time out. You're not rushing the situation. And this is why I generally don't like, if I'm doing a wash day and my mind is already made up, it is scheduled for this, and if it is that I have to do something, let's reschedule. Sorry. I'm not going to rush wash day. Wash day or wash hour because it's no longer wash day based on when you have great products that are doing the work that you want it to do. But yeah, well, like I said, either way your strands will be satisfied. So you can either purchase their oats and honey collection, or you can save your coins and just show your hair some tender loving care. But these are the few things that I have to share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next YouTube video. So until then, and please, yeah, until then, keep your curly hair curly. I like that little thing. I don't know, I miss saying that in my videos. Until next time, keep your curly hair curly, and I will see you guys